The release date of Vivo T1x is August 21, 2022. There will be several color options for the mobile. The new T-series smartphone is being released by Vivo. The Vivo T1x is the company's first device in the T-series. Let's talk about the specification of this phone. This phone has 6.44-inch AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display features a 20:9 aspect ratio, a pixel density of 409 ppi, and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. An octa-core Dimensity 900 processor powers the Vivo T1x. The smartphone has 128GB of internal storage and 6GB of RAM. The device does not support micro SD cards. A triple camera arrangement on the phone handles the image function. A 48-megapixels primary main camera with an f1.8 aperture is part of the rear-facing camera module. An 8MP ultra-wide lens and a 2-megapixels depth camera are added to the 48-megapixels sensor. The device has a 32-megapixels selfie camera on the front. In terms of software, the T1x launches with FunTouch OS on top of Android 11. The gadget supports twin SIM cards, 5G, dual 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a USB Type-C port in terms of connectivity. The Vivo T1x also boasts support for Face Unlock, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and a 4050 mAh battery with 44-watt fast charging. These are some of its other standout features. What do you think? Leave comment in the comment section below and don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thanking to watch this video and stay connected with Phone Expo.